What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best personal robots in 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. We'll kick off today's rundown with Misa Robot. In our humble opinion, the best family personal robot available on the market in 2022. You will have heaps of fun and enjoy the company of this amazing social family robot with artificial intelligence that'll help you with tasks such as playing with children, managing your scheduling, keeping your home safe, and more. Misa is your friend, hostess, videographer, artist, guide, and much more. By simply saying, "Hey Misa," it'll listen and respond to your voice. The device will interact with you by providing a high-quality audio and video experience. Misa can also care for the elderly by offering advice on nutrition and fitness. It protects your data and helps users control the information their children use. So, Misa allows users to control the content consumed by their loved ones and block any app they deem inappropriate. Remote video surveillance lets you keep an eye on things while you're away, with event notifications and recordings you can store locally. Also, it packs a variety of control options. You can move Misa remotely via the Misa Connect app from anywhere in the world. The Misa can move forward, backward, left and right, or send messages back and forth between your phone and the Misa to stay in touch with your loved ones, no matter where they are. Also, the Misa robot will keep your data completely safe with end-to-end encryption. The Misa Connect dashboard is protected by highly advanced encryption, ensuring your privacy is secure. You'll enjoy a smart home and control all connected devices without hands. Something that users particularly like is the great linguistic versatility offered by this model. The little fella understands and speaks English, German, French, Spanish, Italian, Japanese, Dutch, Portuguese, and more. Misa Robot comes in white-blue color and has a size of 5.83 by 8.7 by 11.22 inches, while its weight is 2.65 pounds. Specially designed for the elderly, it'll help them engage enough to stay sharp and connected. Also, on the other hand, it's specially designed to attract children's attention and teach them new skills. Good stuff, a thumbs up from here. The next robot we'll talk about is the Wonder Workshop Dash, also known as the best learning personal robot available on the market in 2022. Dash is a programmable educational robot for children that'll help your child grasp the first concepts of programming while playing and communicating with them. With a rather striking, friendly design and a lot of effort to make it more human, Dash is focused on children between 5 and 12 years old. The educational robot works great both in the classroom and at home, but at the same time, it's also for free time and leisure activities. Its appearance and color alone already convey good vibes and play. On the manufacturer's site, Wonder Workshop, you'll find tutorials, ideas for competitions between schools and after-school centers, clubs, forums, project ideas, competitions, and Finder of the Month. Dash is controlled by a mobile device via Bluetooth, and once you start with the apps, you see that it has hours of games and challenges, introduces children to robotics and block programming principles, and promotes collaborative, computational playthinking and creativity. Careful and thoughtfully designed, the Dash robot comes with 5 apps to play with for hours with frequent updates, compatible with Lego and other Dash accessories sold separately. This is a great STEAM tech toy for the home to improve skills like art, coding, creativity, and math. The Dash Mech Starter Kit includes a mech, a USB charging cable, and 2 extension bricks for the Lego game. Wonder Workshop Dash can move, glow, make sounds, and interact with others. This smart robot can do anything you can think of. Dash has 2 drive wheels and a wheel that allows you to go backward, forward, turn, and move in any way you want. The 12 LEDs in the eye can be programmed independently to create patterns and animations. Thumbs up, that's for sure. Up next, we present to you Segway 9bot Lumo, also known as the best transporter personal robot available on the market in 2022. Segway has a personal robot network with strong artificial intelligence that avoids obstacles. Lumo can be used as a personal transporter for driving. It is controllable via voice and gestures. It has an effortless self-balancing mount for a smooth ride. The best thing about the Lumo app is that it continues to introduce unique features with new and timely updates, including the free Android SDK. Specifically, Lumo's visual system consists of the object detection and tracking system and the human understanding system. As a result, Lumo can reliably navigate to a given destination, seamlessly track and follow its target, and avoid obstacles in its path. This is a multi-terrain robot. You can travel smoothly on the Lumo robot Even on uneven surfaces, Lumo has a self-stabilizing gimbal that follows the movement and stabilizes the robot. This results in an uninterrupted image and video recording. As you can conclude, unlike other consumer robots, Lumo can be used both indoors and outdoors, on almost all types of terrain. With a single charge, it can easily travel 22 miles at a speed of up to 11 miles per hour. You can use Lumo's Android SDK app to directly access Lumo's full autonomy and AI capabilities to develop a variety of fun gaming features or practical solutions and customize your Lumo with features that are right for your work or play. Additionally, Lumo will constantly update its software and apps to include new features that'll impress and amaze you. The device features an Intel RealSense ZR300 camera with precision and clarity capabilities. This enables 1080p HD video recording, accurate depth perception, and fluid motion tracking. Segway 9-bot Lumo comes in black. It has the size of 25.6 by 12.2 by 22.4 inches, while the weight of the package is 57.3 pounds. Quality stuff, that's for sure. If you're looking for a personal robot for your children, we recommend the Ruco Smart Robot, the best option for kids available on the market in 2022. This model can be fully controlled very easily via a phone app, voice commands, or remote control. The app supports a total of 56 different actions, with up to 200 changes by the user, which will provide you with great variety in the responses and operation of the robot. Also, with the help of the integrated Bluetooth speaker, this robot can also have the function of a mobile speaker capable of playing music or simply communicating with the child based on specific sound signals. What is particularly interesting for users of this model is that it can express its feelings. So on the LED face, they'll use different types of emojis. This, paired with the robot's 9 powerful and flexible motion motors, gives this robot a real lifelike and unique personality. Also, it should be noted that the Ruco Smart Robot is FCC and CPC certified, so it is completely harmless to anyone who interacts with it. After you connect it to the phone, the robot can walk, do gymnastics with you, dance, communicate, and do many other activities. This is a programmable smart robot that can walk in all 4 directions, as 4 wheels help it move back and forth, as well as easy to change. Interactive artificial intelligence can significantly improve and accelerate your children's learning abilities, help them develop cognitive skills, and use them in their practical lives. The Ruco Robot Manual comes with complete instructions in the package. These instructions are easy to understand and help users fully understand the smart robot. Also, the Ruco Robot has built-in motion detection that helps it understand hand movements. This toy robot for kids can move forward, backward, turn left and right with a motion sensor mounted on the front. Music remains the primary instrument in toys made for children. The ARM programmable smart robot that can play songs is quite fun and keeps the baby busy while you do chores. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. Finally, we've reached the long-awaited gold medal and the title of the best overall personal robot on the market in 2022, and the winner is Amazon Astro. Amazon Astro is a robot designed for the general public, a device dedicated to safety, comfort, and entertainment. A true gem of technology, Astro is powered by artificial intelligence and the Amazon Alexa voice assistant. This little robot measures about 16 inches and weighs about 22 pounds. It can move at a speed of about 2 miles per hour. Its face is a 10-inch HD touchscreen with a 1280 by 800 definition, under which there are 2 large drive wheels. There's a small rotating wheel at the back that helps the robot turn. The back of the Astro also has a USB-C port for charging another device such as a smartphone. The operation of this robot is based on a wide range of sensors like ultrasonic sensors and tilt sensors that help it maintain course and detect obstacles, while several depth cameras allow distance calculations between objects. Of course, there are standard motion sensors. These various components help Astro navigate safely around the house and avoid bumping into you. A 5-megapixel camera sits atop a 10-inch display that serves as Astro's face. The screen can be moved 60 degrees up or down and 45 degrees left or right. This central mast can extend more than a meter, and a 12-megapixel periscope camera is located at the top. It's possible to control the extension through the accompanying application or make a voice request from the robot. The Visual ID feature will allow the robot to recognize faces through facial recognition, but it's possible to disable this option. This will allow the machine to distinguish between family members. You can ask it for the weather forecast, a reminder of your schedule for the day, or simply talk to its artificial intelligence. It's possible to ask Astro for a beatbox demonstration. He'll then begin to dance as he moves the screen, and his periscope will expand to the beat. Overall, this product delivers premium performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. So that's it for the best personal robots of 2022. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest videos.